Nigel. We are the Diesel Brothers, acting masters and gurus from the halls of ridiculous show. It's usually 9 hours long.
Yes,
brother dear.
Yes. We scaled it down to a steady 20 minutes for you tonight.
Yes, we'll just say a quick hello to this gentleman here. Hello, sir. How are you tonight? There we go.
We looked you in 1 foot in the grave, sir.
Yes. Thank you for coming, Richard. Oh, have we got any more celebrities?
I think that's Matthew Kelly.
Yes.
There he is, Santa Row.
Oh, Mr. Kelly, thank you. We haven't seen you since Panto in Rill, when you pulled us on and then... You know the rest.
It was the 80s.
They're quick here. They didn't understand that in Bradford. But somebody did it all the same. Anyway, what are we going to do, my brother?
Okay, brother, tonight we are going to perform for this lovely audience some scenes. Yes, scenes like you've never seen before.
Unseen scenes!
Oh, I like that.
Yes. A lady gasped. Did you hear that?
Yes, I think it came out of her mouth.
Yes. There must be some more celebrity. We can't just stop at those two. And is there anyone else?
Sue Pollard in the middle there as well. Yes, there she is. Just in front of the Birds and the Feather Sisters.
Yes, I see, yes. Very nice. Thanks for coming, Sue. Love your work in Heidi High all those years ago. Right then, we have a suggestion box here. We've asked some of you this evening, who filled in a piece of paper? Did you all fill in a piece of paper?
Yes, we asked you for a sentence, a phrase, even a word. It now delves deep within the box. I shall put my hand inside of it, dear brother, and reach deep.
Yes, we're going to fill our pockets up with your piece of paper, and we're going to fit them seamlessly into a scene of your choice. That's way too many. Here we go. There's still too many. Fuck it, I'll put them in. Right. We'll work our way through a scene of your choice. So what do we need to start off this evening?
I think we need some audience participation here. Can we have a location for 2 people, please?
Cavilli.
Cavilli, a very specific location there.
That is.
Holiday in Cavilli, perhaps.
Maybe. Would you like that, or do you shout out? This is your time to shine. Shout out.
Prison.
Prison.
Brings back memories.
It does, right? Put on that play to save our souls. Literally our souls. Cavilli or a prison, probably the same thing anyway, isn't it?
Why don't we merge the two?
A prison in Cavilli.
Yes.
Yes, let's do that. That's a great idea. Nigel's already in the acting zone, you can see. Don't disturb him, don't disturb him. Here we go. A prison in Cavilli.
Hey, there you're in.
Yeah,
I've been in this prison now many times. I've not seen you here before.
Oh, I'm a new fish.
You fish, I know.
Yes.
Did you read the rule book when you entered?
Yes, I was given a big thick paper.
Yes, rule number 3 of prison life. Remember this now. Joke, what's blue and not very heavy? Light blue. I've got a sense of humor in here, but...
No, I was
Yes. Yes.
Well, the guard's a bit funny on the way. He said
Oh, you mean Dirty Derek?
Dirty Derek, yes. He said to me on the way in, he said, bloody hell.
Ah, yeah, I swear to God, that's Dirty Derek.
I thought that's a bit odd.
Ah, you know what he told me the other day in the showers?
What did he say?
Oh, Dirty Derek, he shouted at me really loudly, up and down like a bride's nightie. And I had to do it.
Oh,
Down.
the showers?
Why?
Oh,
I tell you, really work out in them showers, but...
oh, I'm not going to be going in them showers. I won't do it now.
Have you been in any other prisons?
Oh, I've been in a few. I went into that prison up north. It's called... It's Andy Sim's birthday today.
That must be one of them ones in Middlesbrough, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
They name everything after people.
I know, yeah. No, I went for a stroll in the park there before. It was just called Hot Cross Buns. It's a hard look life. And straight bookers.
Well, it's a hard look like in here, isn't it? Yes. I think we're cellmates, by the way.
Oh, what are you in for?
Oh, I'm in for the worst crime of all. I'll tell you what I did. Listen to me. I did this. Key lime pie.
You're not the key lime pie murderer, are you?
Yes, it's me.
Oh my God, I read about you in the Sun.
I'm quite famous, yes.
Isn't it true?
Yes.
Isn't it true that, red or green, no in between?
That was my catch.
Yes. That's how you enticed them with the pie, wasn't it? And they went for the green and then they're dead. I get it now.
I always had a finish-off line. When I killed them with the pie, I always used to say, I look at the body and I go, Legion at it.
was just a little warm-up for you to get us in the mood.
I just spat on the front row. Sorry, you will get...
Oh, she looks like she likes that sort of thing.
I believe it's called wet play. I don't know. Anyway, she knows. Right, what are we going to do next, brother dear?
I think we should continue.
That's a great idea. Else it would be too
Perhaps this lovely audience here might suggest for us an occupation for two people.
Ah, maybe you work at Gregory's, for example.
The patisserie. What was that, sir? Nestle.
With a mouthful
of coffee beans there.
What are you eating, sir? Or is it just your normal speaking voice?
Oh, it's got no teeth.
Oh, I see. I do apologise. I said, what's he eating? I'm sure he held up a pint. He's eating his pint. It's that kind of place.
Any advances on Nestle? Any other workplaces for two people? Come on, let's work it.
Salt wine.
A salt mine. We are in Yorkshire, brother.
Where they still exist, I believe, yes. Any other advantage? Anything else?
Mortuary.
A mortuary!
It's a good one. Oh, we're going to have to put this for a vote. Who'd like salt mine? How many just person who suggested it once
Just the retired salt mine.
Yes, he's just reminiscing about his shattered life. There we go. What was the other one? The mouthful of...
Nestle.
Nestle.
Oh, the mortuary.
What would be the mortuary?
Mortuary, yes.
Okay, Nigel's getting into some berries again. He's in the spoon. The mortuary. Here we go.
Hello?
Hello there. I wonder if you could help me.
Yes.
I'm here. This very delicate matter. I'm here to bury my husband.
What is with you?
Yes, I brought him and I wheeled him in.
And what was the cause of death, man?
Oh, I'll tell you, it's very traumatic though. Frank Lampard's a grass.
What did Frank Lampard do?
He killed my husband. But he's a bloody grass. They got into a bit of a fight and then he grass.
Well, welcome here to Sleepy Oaks Mortuary. Now, have you signed the login book, the guest book?
I have, yes. I was too upset though. I didn't put...
Did you read the little quirky comment that Marjorie wrote at the bottom of it?
Yes, I did. I think it was inappropriate.
No, it just said, oh no, I think this is a nudist beach. Sometimes we just wheel them out all naked and scatter them around like weekend at Bernie's.
I'm not sure this is the right place for me because I want my husband to be sent off. You know, he meant a lot to me. In fact, when we first met, he said to me on my first date, he said, it's broad as it's long. And it was.
Tell me, what is your dear husband's name?
It's a very sensitive name.
I can deal with it.
He's actually called Do I Have Tomatoes for Eyes? It's called Tom.
Very good, yes, I like that. Yes.
What's his name, Tom?
Look, we get a lot of walk-ins.
I found that one just while I left.
No, I'm not sure we've got room. I may have to make some space in one of the cupboards, so we do have somebody in there at the moment, though. Yes, a dead person. By the name of... I have no idea what to write.
I don't know what to write.
Yes, we did have one called The Man With No Name, and we used that one, so we just called him I have no idea what to write.
Do you know, I've just been looking at your price list at the back.
Yes.
Now, can you just explain what some of these things are?
Yes, yes.
I've never heard of this before. It says meat pie sausage roll.
Yes.
What?
We are also the finest cafe in town.
That makes more sense now.
Pop a corpse in, have a sausage sandwich. That's one of our mottos. We've won awards for our coffee here, most notably the Nestle Award, called, well, go to the foot of our stew. Fucking don't know what it means. But we won it. We won it.
It's a very odd place. Right, I'm going to leave my husband in your care, okay? I will do that.
Okay.
And can I just say, danger wank.
have an activity for two people.
An activity.
Mix it up, really test our acting abilities.
Falling hot air balloon. A falling hot air balloon.
A falling hot air balloon, not just a regular hot air balloon. You want some drama.
A falling hot air balloon. What was that?
Massage.
A massage in a falling hot air balloon. I mean, some things will be rising, I'm sure, but what do you think? Can it be done, brother dear? I mean, it's going to be a lot of shouting if they're in distress in the air balloon, but we'll see. Do you really want to see that?
I don't give a fuck.
They don't. Okay, we're falling in a hot air balloon, there may be a massage involved. This could be a short scene. Okay. Nigel is definitely in the zone here. This is going to take all his acting ability. Here we go. Don't panic! Don't panic!
I didn't even want one of these virgin experiences, buddy.
Don't panic! No, I've got the set one. If there's a hole in the balloon,
But what's it up to do?
They told us what to do. They said, first of all, if I can't mean that somebody's fucking handwriting.
That's no good.
The manual's all skewed. Here we go. Shepherd's pie.
Oh, did you pack some?
I did, yes, you want to be here. That's down in earth as we plummet to the earth. There must be some way of sorting this out. There must be some patch or something we can put on up there. What do you think?
What about if I give you a massage?
I mean, we are quite high up, so yes, maybe that'd be nice. Go on, give us a massage, yes.
Oh, I've never noticed that tattoo on your back before. What does that say there?
I've got so many, you tell me.
When people take the mickey out of your West Country accent. I know you're a fan of Jethro, aren't you?
I am, yeah, I love Jethro. And they always say his shit, and they slag him off in reviews and say, no, ifs, no buts, they're the tenderest cuts. Anyway, we are going to die in a minute.
I know, but it's a slow descent, so embrace the moment. Why don't you give my legs a little rub?
Oh, you want to massage? Oh, I'll just pull up your legs, hang on. Oh, there you go.
Oh, do you know what this reminds me of?
What's it remind you of?
Remember our wedding day when you whispered into me ear?
Oh.
We've got Bruno in the middle.
Remember that word today?
We had a lovely time with Bruno, didn't we? Oh, he was all Italian and everything.
Well, he used to have a phrase that you kept saying when we were around dinner table. He'd say, good time at all. Yes, Bruno, we did have a good time. Stop going on about it though. Bloody hell. You know,
It was a silly night.
It was silly.
Have you got any regrets or any last words you want to say before we crash and burn to death?
I've got one thing to say to you, my sweet, my darling, my treasure of all these years. The best.
I am, aren't I?
I mean, you're not Tina Turner, but you're getting there. Have you got what to say to me before we die in a horrible cloudy couch?
I've got a secret I need to share with you.
A secret?
Yeah.
Any hope we're going to die?
You know Colin up the road?
Yes.
Well, it breaks my heart to say, Colin, you're only supposed to blow the bloody doors off. He did.
I knew it.
He blew them off. And the back doors. At least I'll die an happy woman.
Well, I bloody war now, you bitch. And see, there we go. I mean, they said it couldn't be done. They said you could do an acting scene in a hot air balloon plummeting to your death, but we did it, my God. Thank you very much for that suggestion. Have we got time? What do you think? Have we got time for one more?
Would you like one more? An encore!
Oh,
We shall do this properly.
we're not on yet. We're not on. We're coming back on now. Oh, yeah, Nigel's going suddenly on.
One more!
Oh, what a surprise! What a surprise! The lights are still on.
Richard Wilson, I think
There we go. Lovely. Okay, what are we going to do for this?
Let's have a mild disagreement for two people. Maybe it's one you've had home with your spouse.
You haven't done the washing up.
You haven't done the washing up.
It's a good one.
Yes,
Any plans
yes.
on the washing up?
Anything less common?
Tucking the corner of the bed in.
Tucking the corner of the bed.
That was a little bit too high. That's from one extreme to the other. Have you got anything middle class?
Have you let the cat out?
I got a lady first, but just
Cap on the toothpaste.
cap on the
cat out.
Have you let the cat out?
Cat out. I mean, we're going to have to do a show of hands, aren't we, for this one? Who would like the toothpaste cap? One enthusiastic gentleman there.
Don't even bother asking the second one, it's the cat.
Are we doing the cat?
Yes.
Who put the cat out? There we go. Okay, we'll do that. Here we go. Now just in the zone. There we go. Here we go.
All right.
You old bastard.
I've been working hard all day and I've come into this house.
You absolute bastard. What did you not do today that I asked you to do?
I didn't put the cat on the toothpaste.
No. This is bigger than that, my friend. Much bigger.
She's got all the chairs at home. All the chairs on your mum's.
Yes, again, it's not about your mum's chairs.
Oh, is it that little ginger bastard?
Yes, you didn't put the cat out again.
Oh, the cat, I thought you were about son, sorry.
No time for you slagging our boy off.
I don't like the cat.
I know, but what did I say to you this morning? I said, if you don't put that cat out today, women's lips.
You're not getting them out again, are you?
Yeah, you're not getting anything.
No. I don't want to sing them again. They're not me sick. The last time I seen them, do you know what I thought? Do you know what thoughts were rushing through my head when I seen them?
Go on, tell me, surprise me.
There's a lot of thoughts. I'm just trying to process the right one. Fail whale.
That's what you are, a fail whale.
What?
Yes, it's exactly what you are. And I'll go as far to say, bad arms make great wings.
You've been reading those shitty books again.
What if I have been reading big shitty books that give me all my advice? Yes, I have.
Where is the cat anyway?
I'll tell you where he is. He's in the front room upset.
The cat's upset.
He's upset.
Oh, I've heard it all now. Remember that time when we had a blue job 10 years ago and you said, oh, sweet and sour chicken.
Yeah, he fancied sweet and sour chicken.
You had him sat at the dinner table with us every fucking night eating Chinese food.
I speak to him, I've got the gift.
You meant to just walk him, stroke him, show him off to your mates. Come on, I was in the fucking bed.
Yeah, get more action off him than you. This has gone south. Listen to me, you bastards. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
I do always play these games at me at Halloween. Remember Valentine's Day? What you did then? You invited that random bloke round and he dressed as a chicken.
Yeah.
Weird! You're weird, love!
No, I'm not. Oh, sick of me, are you?
Yeah.
Why do you leave then? Why do you...
Well, I tried that before, didn't I? And what were you doing? You were shouting up the street, going, ah, don't leave me and the cat. Oh, we love you. Oh, glory hole. And then come back and pop it through the letterbox, didn't I?
Special delivery, yes. You remember what I said after that as well? I said to you, I just finished off and said, Everton.
You're sick. I am going down the pub to meet the lads, right? You and your daft cat can stay and watch Strictly Come Dancing. And before I go, yeah, I've not forgotten. With this thing, I be wet.
And see! I mean, for some of you out there, must have been looking in a glass with that scene, I'm sure. Nigel, have we finished?
We have finished, yes, brother. Our time is spent.
Oh, well, you have been delightful this evening. Thank you for all your suggestions. We have been the halls of ridiculous. Do you want to add anything else, Nigel?
Yes, thank you very much. Do enjoy the rest of your evening, and we shall see you again tomorrow.